So you want to grill lettuce, you say. Here's how you do it. We're gonna get our lettuce like this. We're gonna hit it with some olive oil on both sides. A little bit of garlic salt. Then we're gonna get our grill super hot and clean like this. We'll take this lettuce. I'm just gonna put it right down on the grill. Boom. Like that. Just for a couple seconds. While they're over, I'm gonna hit them with olive oil again. Close the lid. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Flip them over. Just a little bit of that caramelization. Ooh, that's perfect. 1001, 1002, 1003. We get the idea. A couple seconds. Oh yeah, see that? That is what we're looking for. It gives a nice smoky flavor to your lettuce. And that is how you grill lettuce. Then we're going to put bacon on and some blue cheese dressing. I'm Rob Barrett. That's how you grill lettuce.